YouTube. Smart Woods with another video. And yeah, today we're gonna be tackling that buzz sound. Now if I can get rid of that buzz sound today, then I hook up the tweeters. So this could be a video with me installing the tweeters also. But first thing first, I'm gonna take that ground. As y'all can see that wire right there, I'm gonna take that ground from right there. I'll try to switch the wires over though, but I'm gonna try to move the amp, and before I can have the wires going away from the ground, from the power wire. And the RCAs ain't nowhere near close to where the ground wire at, so I don't have to really mess with the RCAs. But I probably would have to go inside the radio, go inside the dash and see. So, but we're gonna see if we can fix that problem first, and then see what's gonna happen. All right, be right back. We back. You know, I always like to do a comparison together, just to show you guys how it looks, how they look together. So those are old ones. These are so much lighter than these are. These feel a little bit more solid. I mean, the price difference is, you know, like these do 30 watts RMS on my left, and these do 50 RMS on my right. So let's get them connected and see how they sound. All right, we back. Got one of them hooked up. This was pretty, it wasn't a real easy job though, because getting that bracket on was kind of hard. I gotta probably do a neater job on it. I mean, right now, it's just, I'm content with it right now. Got wires showing a little bit. You know, and I'm not a professional, so it don't really make no difference to me, as long as it's hooked up right. But it's still, you know, let's see how, let's give it a little value. Let's see if we can go like maybe 10 seconds. Yeah, man, you can't turn the radio down fast enough. But yeah, it's loud, man. It is loud. I'm gonna pull up somewhere else. I'm probably gonna get the back ones done today. Well, I might just do the back ones later. Man, y'all just don't know, like just doing like sound jobs, like when you just always working and always busy and on the move, it's hard to really get stuff done. You know what I'm saying? But it's cool though. I like doing it like that though. I like getting things done one thing at a time, because it give me more stuff to do, you know, for the next weekend. You know, so that's why I like to do that though. But we coming right back. I'm about to show you guys a demo, and I wasn't able to get rid of that sound yet. Maybe it's the radio. But like I said, I'm gonna go behind the dash. That's my last attempt. I done changed the grounds. I done tightened them up again and again, you know. But the good thing is the mirror's still hanging up. Oh yeah, the mirror is still there. And it's really taking the boom pretty good, but we'll be right back. Hey, we back. All right, all the tweeters are installed. Here, they all in the same exact spot. Let's see if I can get that. Yep, a little dusty back there, but they all up in the same spot. You know, just to explain to y'all, I do have a meter up there too. So let's see what I'm gonna play, yo. Give me 1 second. All right, we back. Let's go ahead and hook it up. Now this is it here, how the highs go. So I'm trying to get something with a little vocals in it. Let's see. Across the
Get playing, get hit, still bounce back like a rubber band. Who gon' protect you and gang on your head? And low key, I heard you working with the feds. You could've asked me if you needed some bread. Why you taking it from them when they wanna see you dead? Niggas up in traffic at the Henny running red lights. Had to take a break from the streets to get my head right. Niggas only wanna see you down cause they don't cherish life. I'm trying to be out of sight, somewhere on a private flight. And if I'm not strapped, I'm backing out the night. I was from the middle with the left before I show the right, show you right. I've been through the struggle, all I know is right. Me and Julio was out there trying to get it every night. If we ain't have a pack, we was stealing bikes. That ain't no question, you don't know what it's like. It's like I'm rolling everybody rich. Where your man's a double cross you over a bitch. I'm trying to tell you my nigga, cause this shit's sitting. When niggas living can't be slipping, gotta keep a grip. I play jacket, no press, I won't never flip. Yeah, and then them niggas dead. You know how this shit get. You know how this shit could get. Real nigga tough, he ain't even got a gun yet. Real nigga salute, you know I gotta respect that. A bitch in my circle, then you know I gotta check that. Talking down on the set, you know I gotta check that. Fuck that, be smooth, hop out, reload. These niggas doing cheat codes. Niggas fuck the whole game up. Rest in the streets, it ain't safe for us. Damn, that's why you gotta tape them up. Duct tape, that's why you gotta tape them up. Hey, so Chris, what up? Hey, you know how we coming, man. We don't ever stop. We going to the top of this shit.
That was a low dropper right there, yo. That was like about 24 hertz. I can almost tell. Let's see if I can find something else. 1 second. Finally found something, but man, this one sounds good. Let's check it out inside, see how it sounds inside.
All of this money I spent could've bought me a paddock. A lot of the lovers, that's why I'm so tatted. Brody come home, then we creating havoc. And I remember me taking it back just because I have it. I ain't smoking, I'm breaking it down. I'm rapping this killing it back. Money was my self-esteem. I'm going to my daughter buying things. And I feel fly, I feel cut off my way. I might take you out, buy you many things. I'm on the squad, the whole team militant. She says she never seen so many kings. If I fight, the whole team fight. She says she never seen so many swings. Take her to the crib, give her a couple rounds, how to thinking, now we in the ring. She heard all my music, wanted me to sing. I bees in the trap, don't wanna see me sting. I'm just hoping my mama outlive me. I might throw her from drinking this Henny. I did it myself, had no wishes like Timmy. Can't fuck a raw, I'ma slap on the Jimmy. If they're going 200, then you catch me speeding in traffic. And they told me to go, the whole time the say shit to the gang, my niggas gon' shoot automatic. This shit ain't a joke, these little niggas get smoked cause they wanna be savage. While I die young, sometimes I imagine. Follow that fire, pull up in the dragon. First time it's smoking, he know that I'm magic. Right at the front of the best nigga dance. That's a ladder, dream about a pound. She gon' kiss me like I'm still with the answers. First time I ever seen death, I ain't have no regrets cause I know what I did was planet. And I went to the game on this bitch, now she think she the baddest. I kept my name on a bitch, oh my god, get attachments. You ain't never seen Thug Passion, out here with the walls, anything can happen. You can catch us in traffic, sliding the island, 4 deep, then we strapped in. And if it ain't no panicking, once you take that first L, you gotta come back again. Feel crazy, but you gotta manage it. Calling on God, it's like she never answered. If the car 200, then you catch us speeding in traffic. And they told the little bro to hold on the block. Now they got pick up a casket. I ain't got to work to this bitch, the pussy gon' come automatic. You afraid to stay out the streets, cause lately this game was tragic. If the car 200, then you catch me speeding in traffic. And they told the little bro to hold on the block. Now they got pick up a casket. I ain't got to work to this bitch, the pussy gon' come automatic. You afraid to stay out the streets, cause lately this game was tragic. Hey, get that bag, Toretto.
From that point, I could probably play all day. We can check out a little of this song. I ain't never heard this one before. And we'll end the video after that.
I know they had me. I know they had me. Come try and catch me if I need help. Nobody gon' save me. I'm on it. Plus, I'm talking to lately. Rockin' these shit for the thought it was slavery. I'm going crazy. I hop in the water cause you know I'm wavy. I need a hero cause somebody save me. Now they not talking about no rain taxi. I know they had me. Come try and catch me if I need help. Nobody gon' save me. I'm on it. Plus, I'm talking to lately. Rockin' these shit for the thought it was slavery. I'm going crazy. I hop in the water cause you know I'm wavy. I need a hero cause somebody save me. Now they not talking about no rain taxi. Don't face me, my life is true. I got big deal.
We'll say that for another video. That sound good. Let's turn her off. Yeah. I am super impressed. Myself. I'm gonna check out the SPL numbers. Last time I checked, I was getting over 144. So we hope we can keep that road going. Like I said, the SPL numbers are funny. I actually tried around the window along with a headrest set. The numbers, they are not higher than the kick panels. So I'm like, and I was told by my boy Worm that, the strongest point might be where your headrest set in your mirror. So that should be the area where you get the most bass effect from. But unfortunately, it doesn't work that way for me. It works better, on a kick panel than anywhere else up in my car. The tweeters, do I recommend them? Yes. Now we have achieved a whole entire, PRV highs and mids. Nope, I'm not sponsored by PRV, but I have, the whole entire mids and highs of PRV now. Which I am liking, man. I can't complain how it sounds in here, man. It sounds amazing. Like I was about to say on the other video before I got distracted by my hot amp. I love how the way it sound up in here. This is it, man. This is it. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else, man. I'm serious this time. It ain't nothing I can do to really improve the sound in here. Only thing that can possibly improve the sound in here is a new box. And it's hard, it's sad to say it, but it's a new box because I maxed out my SPL performance out of this box. Not saying it's a bad box at all. I love the box. Now, if we were just going off brute sound alone and the quality of sound and how the way it sound, that box is staying in the car, man. It's staying in the car. I don't have no issues with that box at all. It sounds great. It pounds great. What more could I say about it, man? But I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you do, smash that like button. If you're new and love car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.